how did I mitigate these side effects? I talked to my friend and my friend, did I skip legs day in the gym? I said I did not skip, but I wasn't working out very hard on my leg. It's so important for guys to work on their legs. You don't need to lift like an elephant to work on your legs. You can just do like normal walking lunges, squats, just to stimulate the blood flow to your lower region. So gradually I added more legs day to my routine, about 2 times a week, at least make myself engage on the lower part of the body to increase blood flow basically. It helped in the low libido thing. Once I see that these leg exercises actually help me in drive start to pick up, that's where I slowly reintroduce this Finasteride back into my regime of it help. Yeah. The next medication, that Minoxidil, is a hairspray. Comes in a foam. You can get it without prescription at drugstore, Watson's Guardian in Singapore. You spray it on your hair. I tried it before, and firstly I did not like the oily sticky texture. I mean, it's not very oily, it's just that I think my scalp is an oily scalp. So when I spray and then I massage it, it's like a layer of I don't know, it's a foam thing, but then you know when you have a layer of thing on your scalp and you start to sweat in a hot Singapore humid weather, that's where I think it starts to add up, and then it makes your hair feel very flat and oily. So it did not work for me, and yeah, it gave me flat oily hair, which I didn't like. So I use it very minimally until I stopped, because feel of it didn't feel good, so I stopped. And I have another friend who did it as well. Minoxidil started to snore very loudly. That's where he started to see that there's a side effect to this from this Minoxidil. So these are the 2 medications that are proven to work. If it's suitable for you, it will work for you. For me, I will just keep sticking to Finasteride, and that's it.